Hi, I'm Vinelli, and I'd like to show you how I use the adjustable gradient filter to enhance a landscape photo. Now, in this case, a beautiful Florida sunset. Now, the adjustable gradient filter is part of the utility filter set. The neat feature about this filter is the ability to adjust the top and bottom half of the image independently, and of course, the gradient itself. Now click the Set Orientation button to adjust the gradient. Now let's line it up and slightly rotate it. Great. Now create a gradual blend. Good. I'll make a few adjustments to the top half of the image, making the sky look more dramatic by lowering the exposure and adding lots of contrast. Good. Now let's improve the colors and add more warmth to the image. Now the top half of the image looks great. Now let's adjust the bottom half. Increase exposure to lift up some of the details and reduce some of the contrast. This is looking good. Now add a little warmth to bring out the colors of the sand and on the beach. Now we can click the Set Orientation button again and adjust the gradient a little bit further. Good. Now to finish this off, I want to adjust the Accent AI to bring out more details and more color. Good. And while I'm here, I'll take advantage of AI Sky Enhancer to really make the sky look dramatic. Now, if you would like to learn more about this filter or other filters, check out the user guide, which you can find under the Help menu.